This is the mess that I started with, and I actually went to Target and bought another closet system, and I will show you that in the next clip here.
So yesterday I put together this Mainstays from Walmart closet organizer, and I'm really excited about getting it all put together. I have a lot of stuff laying everywhere, so I thought I'd just kind of show you. This isn't exactly before, but I had to make a few adjustments on this because it was too tall, because there's a shelf up there, and I'm going to go through all this stuff. Everything's laying everywhere right now. As you can see, some of this is makeup, but this is just a small bit of it. Let me go ahead and show you what's laying on the sofa. And there's a huge pile of this that is going to someone else, and then I'm going to do a second declutter because I need to.
Now I'm just removing things and starting to organize them into different sections.
So I folded all of my favorite pants, other than jeans, into this storage box that I bought at Home Goods, and just labeled it pants. And so that's what that looks like. And those will be covered up. And then my favorite jeans are going to be in this little pink organizer. And I'm just going to stack those on the shelf. I'll show you how I'm doing that. So right now I am grabbing all of my dance or yoga pants. Actually, they're yoga pants, but I use them for dance class. And I'm putting them all into this pink see-through storage bin. And I'm doing them like file, or whatever you call it, file type of organization. So I'm just doing them like 3 ways here. I'll show you what I mean. So you fold up, actually not that far up, and then you fold the bottom in like this, and then this one goes over, and you get this file type fold. It's kind of hard to keep up at first, but once the bin is full, you will have no trouble keeping all of your pants in.
Here's the Room Essentials garment rack that I bought at Target that I told you about. I put this together off screen, so I didn't want to have you guys have to watch that. I also picked up this rolling cart from Target by Bright Room, and it was only like $45, you guys. It's super cool because I can slide it into this corner of my closet where I don't have a lot of room.
It's getting better, you guys. I just have to keep working on it. Taking so much time. I'm having to store shoes and other things in other places, but look at all this stuff. Decluttering, got rid of a lot of stuff today. Here's what the closet looks like now that I've almost completed it. I'm still working on it, so it's just going to be a work in progress. But as you can see, I have those double doors, and just trying to get through everything has been hard, but I think it's turned out really nicely. I have this little stool here so that I can put shoes on. It's my roller. But over here I have like my small clutches and designer bags in here. I have a sachet that I got at, I forgot the name of that store, At Home. And then up here there's wallets, clutches, small bags, small things, jeans. These are some everyday things I like to keep in this basket. And then I have my seasonal, like summer clothing. There's some maxi dresses in there. Down here's my favorite summer heels. And then these things are really cute. I found these at 99. And it says my shoes with little sneakers on the front. So I put my favorite sneakers into there. I have some more in here. I know it's kind of dark. I do have a light for this closet, but over here I have some more maxi dresses. They're all folded. Sandals. And this thing's a work in progress. And then let me pull the closet over here so you can see this side. I have, here's the other half of that, and some of my black dresses and jumpsuits, slipper socks because I'm not wearing those, hats. Some of those are summer hats, and over here are beanies. There's scarves in here, more jeans, jewelry. Put this shelf inside of here, and these are some favorite summer capris, jeans, cutoffs, my boots and booties are all in these bins because I still wear those in the summer. And this little cart is the one I showed you in the beginning that I got from Target for $45. And that one has all my like journaling supplies, art supplies, planners, markers, and I can just pull it right out of the closet and pull it over by the bed at night if I want. I have some hats and other items hanging, but you guys, that's it. So I'm going to pull back and let you see the whole thing. So here is the bigger shot of it. And obviously I can't have both sides of the closet open, but I just wanted you to kind of get an idea. There's my little Louis Vuitton picture that I picked up. And then don't mind the junk in the haul because that stuff I still have to go through. But yeah, I'm sort of loving it. And thanks for coming along and joining me for this organizational video. Hope you're having a great day. Stay positive, stay hopeful, and above all, stay kind, you guys.